In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create collections in the Kindle app and organize your library. If your Kindle library feels cluttered, collections are a simple, powerful way to group books by theme, author, course, or any system that makes sense to you. They don't move or duplicate your books, they're just organized views, so it's easy to manage a growing library without changing your actual files. Start by opening the Kindle app and letting your home screen load. Next, tap Library at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to the full list of your books and documents. In the top right, you'll see the filter and sort icon, the one with two small arrows pointing up and down. Tap that icon to control how your content is grouped. From the options that appear, choose Collections. This view focuses on collections rather than individual books, making it clear what you've already organized and what's still loose. Now, if you don't immediately see an option to create a new collection on this screen, go back to the main library view. In the top right, tap the plus icon to create a new collection. You'll be prompted to enter a name. Pick something meaningful and easy to remember. Maybe the author's last name, a genre like mystery, or a purpose like study materials. Clear naming helps you find things quickly later. When you're happy with the name, tap Create. Right after creating your collection, you'll see options for managing it. Tap Add Remove Items to start filling it with books. You'll get a list of your titles. Simply tap each one you want to include. You can scroll through your library and select as many as you like. If you change your mind, tap the same title again to deselect it. When you're done choosing, tap Done. Your selected books now appear in the collection. From here on, you can repeat the process to build multiple collections for different needs. If you prefer to tidy gradually, you can always return to any collection and tap Add Remove Items to adjust what's inside. Remember, removing a book from a collection doesn't delete it from your device or your account. It only changes how it's organized. That's it. Your books are now organized into a collection, making your Kindle library easier to browse and manage. This workflow is consistent across most recent versions of the app, and once you get used to it, maintaining a neat, personalized library becomes quick and effortless.